are wondering if this mini drone actually has got memory card support. So can we essentially maybe insert memory card in this controller and basically store footage as it's being recorded. So actually I have some bad news. Due to the extremely low price on this drone, we actually do not get such feature. And yeah, so at this price really it's actually hard to expect this feature. So, and again, the only way how we can basically like record something and store something is if you download this Wi-Fi UAV app, and then you can basically start video recording, and once you finish video recording it's simply stored on your phone, and then you can go over here on the phone basically and see all your videos. But again, so internally on the drone or the remote control we can't really store that. By the way, still I think this drone is absolutely brilliant because so it's also very durable and also very easy to fly, and out of all these very cheap drones I think also it has probably one of the best cameras out there. Obviously it's not very high end, but still at this price really, so usually the cameras are even worse. So again, for this price this drone costs, I think it's absolutely brilliant. By the way, also if you are looking to get one, I'll leave a special discount link where you can get it on AliExpress for literally only a bit over $10, and that also is with free shipping. So again, if you want to get the best deal, simply check out special discount links in the description. Anyway, good luck.